A quick video about how I wax my leather goods. Today I am waxing this pair of Kinko mitts. They're cheap, they're pretty good, they're great for anything in the out of doors where I don't want to ruin a pair of nice mitts. I will be using mink oil. I got this from Mark's. I don't know if there's actual mink involved with this particular product. If you take issue with that, any kind of waxy leather waterproofy stuff will work. You just scoop out a bunch, go to town. People often say multiple thin layers is better than one thick one. I respectfully beg to differ. I want these mitts to soak up as much of this wax as they possibly can. Just get it on there. Nice and thick. Doesn't matter if it's building up somewhere, just make sure you get it all in the creases. And it is amazing how much wax these guys can soak up if you heat them up. By now, putting them in the dryer. Many dryers come with a shoe rack. Mine does not. It's pretty easy to make your own. I just happen to have these copper pipes laying around. You can make your own thing. The point is to make some kind of little rack that you can put in the lint filter that you can then use to rest things on. I put it on a manual cycle on low. There we go. All the wax is gone. Rinse and repeat. There we have it. There's still a little bit of wax in the seams, so it's getting to the point where everything is saturated and will no longer take wax, which is where we stop. They feel slightly tacky. Let's see how waterproof they are. Now the seams are not sealed, so eventually they will still let water through, but as far as the actual leather goes, pretty darn good. So you can do your hiking boots this way, your winter gloves, any leather products. Just make sure that you use the low heat setting on your dryer so you don't melt any glue that may have been used in your boots usually. If you like this video, it'd be really cool if you gave it a thumbs up. And if you really want to make my day, it'd be awesome if you subscribed. Let me know how this worked out for you and your leather products. And get out there, have fun, and be safe. See you in the next video.